Batarali-Sıdıkov Kyrgyz-Uzbek International University is a major center of education and science in southern Kyrgyzstan. This institution has become a unique educational hub in the region, promoting the development of education, scientific research, and strengthening friendship between people. The university's history dates back to 1994. To promote friendship and cooperation between Kyrgyzstan and Uzbekistan, the Kyrgyz-Uzbek Higher Technological College was established based on an intergovernmental agreement. In 1997, by decree of the first president of the Kyrgyz Republic, it was transformed into the Kyrgyz-Uzbek University. In 2021, the university was named after the outstanding statesman and public figure Batarali-Sıdıkov and received international status. In 2023, the university was awarded the prestigious state award, the Order of Dostuk, for its contribution to the strengthening friendship between two countries. Today, the Kyrgyz-Uzbek International University is a modern educational institution that implements a multi-level education system and meets the demands of the times. The university comprises 5 faculties, 4 colleges, a vocational lyceum, and an innovative school. Education is provided in 7 academic buildings in Osh and 2 in the Alabuka district. Currently, approximately 15,000 students are enrolled in full-time and part-time programs. The high quality of education is ensured by a faculty that includes academicians, corresponding members, doctors and candidates of science, professors and associate professors. Specialists are trained in more than 60 educational programs. The university's facilities and equipment fully meet modern requirements. The library stocks over 1.5 million items, and there is an online library and computer labs with internet access. The legal clinic not only provides students with practical knowledge, but also provides free legal assistance to the public. The medical clinic is equipped with modern, innovative equipment and contributes to public health. The university collaborates with more than 150 higher education institutions, research centers, and international organizations worldwide. Joint educational and research projects are being implemented with universities in Korea, Germany, Turkey, and other countries. The FAF study in Thuringia project offers students the opportunity to study in Germany and find official employment. Through the EDA-Visa program, medical college students can continue their education in Germany. The university also implements double degree programs with Russian universities. Its collaboration with the Baltic State Technical University is particularly strong. One of the university's key strengths is the development of science and innovation. The university operates an innovative research institute comprising 9 research centers. University researchers have won silver and bronze medals at international exhibitions and win inventor competitions in Seoul, South Korea. Currently, the university trains postgraduate students in 18 specializations and PhD candidates in 5 areas. The university has successfully passed international institutional and programmatic accreditation and is also a member of a number of international education organizations. Cultural and scientific projects are being implemented jointly with Turksoy and UNESCO. Student life at the university is also rich and varied. Students have access to a cultural and aesthetic complex, a sports club, a student media center, the Dostuk television studio, and the Planeta Dostuk newspaper, all of which helps them develop their creative potential. Sports sections, an indoor arena, and football fields are aimed at improving the health of students. Modern dormitories and guest houses are available for students from remote regions. In addition, the university has its own printing house, which has released 172 textbook titles with a total circulation of over 2 million copies, which have been distributed to Uzbek language schools. This is a significant contribution to the preservation of cultural and educational heritage of all ethnic groups living in the country. Today, the Kyrgyz-Uzbek International University is confidently moving toward a new stage of development, striving to become a fourth-generation university. This is a golden center of knowledge, science, and friendship of people. Kyrgyz-Uzbek International University is an educational institution that keeps pace with the times.